Early start this morning. I woke up early and I decided that there's this Kashmiri specialty called harissa, which is a meat breakfast. So I'm going to try that in the morning. And anyway, Jyoti is a vegetarian, so it wouldn't interest her, so I just left. And I'm driving there. But there's Hazratbal, and I'm going to stop and take a photo. Every time I've been to Srinagar, I've come to this spot to gaze upon the Hazratbal shrine. It looks so serene and calm standing there in white amidst a riot of colors around it. The harissa shop was in a corner of the old town. Going back to the time of the Mughals, harissa is a winter breakfast delicacy that is prepared using minced mutton mixed with local rice and an assortment of spices. The concoction then simmers in a huge earthenware pot over a slow fire for at least 10 hours. Before being served, it is garnished with hot oil, resulting in a flamboyant flame and then eaten with hot rotis. It's really tasty and very, very rich. So I reined myself in after just 2 helpings. I was averse to going to Gulmarg, given the fact that it is Kashmir's most popular destination and hence crowded. But having my own car meant that I could avoid the crowded center of town and drive straight onto secluded roads where hardly any tourists went. We drove on an ice-bordered road away from Gulmarg, coming up to where the tarmac disappeared under the snow. But that didn't really stop us. Done. Chalo. Good. Very good. Showing muscles, no strength. We simply clipped on snow chains and carried on. Finally, we had to stop when we came upon a ditch dug in the snow across the path and a big snow bank beyond that. But it was the perfect secluded spot in a white winter landscape, and so we decided to brew some adraki chai and savor the scenery. On the ice, I found the display page showing the angle of the wheels especially helpful. It's slippery snow, right? And even if my wheels are completely turned, the car keeps on going back, so it tells me when my wheels are turned. So I know I have to keep it at 0 or just maybe a few degrees here and there because the road is pretty much straight. So now we are back in the heat of the plains, and no, don't cringe at the car. These are battle scars because driving the Srinagar Jammu road is nothing short of waging war on stones, mud and slush. In fact, these are the scars of success because we did manage to catch the tail of that figurative winter elephant. Now I'll drop off to Delhi and I'll carry on back to Bombay.
So where's your next trip, Prashad?
I don't know, maybe Kerala.
Can I come?
Again?